What are pigeons for you? Are they the photo-friendly touristic phenomenon museum photos from Venice? A sigil of peace? A disgusting species of birds whose only purpose is littering cities around the world? Or are they only birds you give no notice about? For me, they used to be just that, nothing to pay great attention to. But they mean more to some than I could ever imagine, and that got me thinking. People cherish them and call them family. That's what I learned after visiting the Pigeon Club in Altea. Let's take it back. So back in May, I flew to Spain to visit my brother. Probably my favorite destination these days. It's quality time in every second. We had only plans to do as many things with the most efforts needed to fill up a week of interesting content for the video diary series. We never thought specifically about hunting down pigeons on bikes and cars on tiny roads and through narrow alleyways. But somehow, we ended up doing just that, and it was great. It all started, like most things, with an interest. I had heard about this club on the other side of the street from my brother's apartment. My parents once visited the club and grew fond of it quickly, so I had to see it for myself. I had to see what made it so special and worth their time. What makes this story interesting is how different people value things. Pigeon keeping is today a great sport in Spain for some passionate hobbyists, and some of the birds are worth thousands of euros. It's basically a race where the male pigeon's social nature and jealousy are used in a way to pursue attraction amongst female pigeons. They chase down a white-tailed feathered female in huge numbers, and then points are collected on some sort of score system based on the time spent in her presence. And it's actually pretty interesting to look at, even though one could question the integrity of the female pigeon surrounded by 100 males. Despite some mystery regarding the sport and its structure, what my brother and I discovered was something far greater than what was perceived at first glance. The great takeaways from what we experienced were the passion and the sense of community shared within the group of people who practice this sport. The nice gentlemen who welcomed us gave a glimpse into their weekly highlights, and we can honestly say that we underestimated the power of passion and how surprisingly it can be found where you least expect it. Passion is a very subjective matter, but one of its characteristics is that a spark of its magic can light up an entire world for someone. It comes in many shapes and forms, but passion itself connects us all to the beauty of this world, and that's why we wanted to share this story.